I love my dog. He is my buddy, and I'll have to say he is my best friend. He runs with me, he plays with me, he sometimes licks my face. I don't know where I'd be without my dog. You guys out there want to come dance like a spider? We need some more dancers up front. Okay, can we practice for a minute? Let's practice. Let's spring up and down on our legs. Oh, this is going to be so much fun. Okay, guys.
Make easy, keep it cool and hot, and keep it breezy when outside it's not. I have a trunk and it packs a lot of power, or it can gently pick a pretty flower.
2, 1, 2, 3, and there's a color known all around the world. It's okay with the boys, but it's loved by the girls. You get it when you mix red and white. When it's used judiciously, it looks out of sight. It's pink, it's pink, it's pink, pink, pink. Flamingos want this color from their heads down to their feet. And pink lips are wrapped in its glow while they're still young and neat. Hound dogs have pink tongues, and that's a fact that you can check. While earthworms sport a pinkish hue, well, maybe just expect. There's a flower called the perennial, which means it blooms each year, not centennial. Tulip comes in such different hues, but the pink ones are the loveliest you can choose.